Hello, welcome to Mastering Fraction Lesson 14. My name is Walter, and today we are going to deal with multiplying whole number by a fraction. To multiply whole number by fraction, the first step we are going to change the whole number into fraction by put it over 1, and then we are going to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. Then we will simplify if necessary. Let's go to question number 1. We have 8 multiplied by 4 over 5. First, we are going to change 8 into fraction by putting it over 1. Then we are going to multiply numerator by a numerator, and then denominator by a denominator. This is equal to 8 multiplied by 4, and then 1 multiplied by 5, which we are going to get equal to 8 times 4 is 32. 1 times 5, we get 5. Now 32 over 5, this is improper fraction. We need to change this into a mixed number. Let's change 32 over 5 into mixed number. That we are going to take 32, divide by 5. It will go by 6. It's going to give us 6 times 5, which is 30. Take away, remain 2. So this is the same as 6 whole number, remain 2 over 5. This will be equal to 32 over 5 into mixed number. We get 6, 2 over 5. Let's go to question number 2. We have 4 over 7 multiplied by 12. The first thing we are going to change 12 into a fraction by putting it over 1. Then we are going to multiply the numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. We have 4 multiplied by 12 and 7 multiplied by 1, which will get 4 multiplied by 12, we get 48. 7 multiplied by 1, we are going to get 7. The answer that we get is improper fraction, so we are going to change it into mixed number by taking 48 divided by 7. To change 48 over 7 into mixed number, we're going to take 48 divided by 7. It will go by 6. 6 times 7, we're going to get 42. 8 take away 2, we remain with 6. So this is going to be a 6 whole number. Remains 6 over 7. 48 over 7 is the same as 6 whole number, 6 over 7. Let's do question number 3. We have 7 multiplied by 10 over 11. The first thing, we are going to change this whole number here into fraction by putting it over 1. Then we are going to multiply the numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. This will be equal to 7 multiplied by 10, 1 multiplied by 11. This will be equal to 7 multiplied by 10, we get 70. 1 multiplied by 11, it is 11. Now we have a improper fraction, so we'll change it into mixed number. Already we know how to change into mixed number. We'll take 70 divided by 11, where the quotient is going to be the whole number. Remainder is going to be the numerator, and the divisor is going to be the denominator. So this is equal to, it goes by 6, 4 over 11. Let's do question number 4, the last question. 3 over 5 multiplied by whole number 13. Change whole number 13 into fraction by putting it over 1. Then we are going to multiply the numerator by numerator and the denominator by denominator. 3 multiplied by 13, we are going to get 39. 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. Now we are going to change this improper fraction to mixed number. This will be equal to 7 whole number, 4 over 5. Hope you understand how to multiply whole number by a fraction, where we change the whole number into fraction by putting each over 1. Then we multiply the numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. And at the end, we will change the number that we get into mixed number and simplify the answer. If you need more video on fraction, you can check a playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.